The course is the Essentials of Risk Management program, the ERM. I am the principal instructor for this program, as well as I am one of the co-authors in its development, and I am currently its editor, as well as keeping it up to date. It's a combination of two elements of risk. One is the financial insurance elements that most of our people don't normally get involved in, and the second one builds on the strengths that our Essentials of Risk Management people, our students, actually bring to the table in terms of evaluation of hazards, in terms of evaluation of risks, using operational risk. So it leverages their understanding of hazard and risk and increases that understanding and their usability for the company by bringing in touches, elements of the insurance questions and also the other liability questions for risk. The outcomes or the ability of the student when they talk and they're upgrading, if you will, their current knowledge of operational risk with this other financial/insurance risk. There's a number of things that they talk about that safety people don't normally look at. Perhaps business continuity is one. Other organizational risk factors outside of only safety and health. We have application of what will an incident, a safety or health or environmental incident, do to a reputation? What will it do to the financial capability of a particular project? So the students are shown the tools to allow them to speak the language of management. This also allows them to become more valuable to the management team as they have a broader appreciation for safety, health, and environment in a business context, not just in the HSC context. In the outcomes for the students itself, we provide them with tools. There's a series of models we use, 7 models, that these allow the student to create a flow of understanding in a risk process, in a risk management process. We teach them how to develop something called a risk register, which allows them to coordinate their thoughts and management's thoughts of how a risk will develop. That is supported by the development of a risk matrix. From the risk matrix, they understand the qualitative assessments of risk between either the individual risks or between the risks of a group area. The CSSC website, to gain more information, promotes the CHSC designation or certification in its broad sense, but there's also individual course information for the ERM. It talks about a little bit about the course subject, it reviews some of the things I've said in this particular interview, and it also provides other input for the students to be able to identify whether this particular course is appropriate for their needs.